Yes, me there again once more, my people. Yeah, as you can see, me have on this thing I look like Rasta locks or locks, as I say. Yeah, me just have fulfill certain requests that had been made, as I say. Yeah, Janice Murray, big up yourself. Yeah, big up yourself, Janice Murray. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Janet, Sandra, Gaza, big up on yourself. You see me I say? Yeah, alright. So, and I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell as well. Alright, so my people, I have information to give to you and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. First up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation that started between at least two persons. And the confrontation escalated to a point where other persons joined in, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now, this video shows at least 4 persons holding objects, viewers and subscribers. I can clearly see that one of those objects is a machete, viewers and subscribers, and in the video you can hear a certain amount of those persons saying some words to each other. You can also hear harsh language, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation between those persons, but let's take a look at this video and see if we can get an understanding about the whole situation. Now, please bear in mind that I can hear yelling and shouting in this video. The video shows that at least one person fell to the ground. The video also shows the persons shoving and pushing each other, viewers and subscribers. And don't forget that I can hear harsh language in this video. My people, this video shows a very hostile situation. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Your business. Follow me. Oh, me follow you. You forget. You know you. Follow me. You think me play you. Me fuck you. That's the man for the fire. Me chop out. Let me kill one of them. What? You. Touch me now. What?
Move here.
Touch me. Much of him blood clot.
Put on that.
Touch me.
Put on that. Put on that.
You be dead.
You be dead.
I don't buy you blood clot dead.
You don't know where go on up there.
That's some man.
Hey,
Me not tell him to go away, man. If I be able to me mash up in face. If I be able to me mash up in face. I don't want me to. If you no die, come, you no dead. At all. What? You be killed. Better. Let me be dead.
Come on, the better.
Kill that mojo.
That was really and truly a hostile situation. Now, my people, in my point of view, it seems as if at least one of those persons was trying to de-escalate the hostile confrontation. You see me I say? Now, listen back to this part of the video, viewers and subscribers. Let's see if we can get some form of understanding as to what the confrontation might be about. So listen to this part of the video. Listen.
That's the man for the fire.
You hear that part there? Listen to the part again. Listen.
That's the man for the fire.
You hear the word pat and other words have been mentioned. Alright, my people. So maybe that can give some form of understanding about the whole situation. Yes, I ask my people. Yeah, so my people, if I'm me, and me see something like that go on, if I can try and stop them from doing what they're doing, I might try. As I say, but if the situation too hostile, and I see certain weapons, it not gonna work for me. You understand? Rather call the police. What would you do if you see a situation like this in a yard where they, or even in the public? Leave a comment and let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. As I say, Alright, so on to another video now, viewers and subscribers. Now, this piece of video is going to show a person basically showing certain emotions. Now, based on how the video had been posted on social media, allegedly it is said that the person was crying over an animal. You want to know which animal? Alright, well, look and listen to the video and tell me if you recognize the animal. You understand? Yeah, you can see more than one person in the video. Observe, my people. Observe.
Derek, I'm gonna give you one ass there, Derek. You know this.
No! Anyone who will get the ass, man. You can't get the Charlie ass and then take my ass from Charlie. Oh, my
The people are not real, you know. Was that person really and truly crying? Was he bawling? Do you recognize the animal? In my point of view, that look like a horse. Some things I see on social media sometimes, I see my viewers and subscribers. I tell you, some things I see on social media sometimes. Alright, so here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, this video is going to show underwear. And you can hear someone talking in the background of the video. My people, look, listen, and tell me what I think about the video itself and some words that a person said. Observe with me. Observe.
I can't believe this. By one panty to rat it and wait 10 minutes to kill it. This is what it is, the panty. What is? Somebody tell me what is. See there? What I say come from? What is?
My people, what do you think about that video there? What is that shiny thing where you say in the video that someone's hand was holding? You see me I say? What do you think? Just let me know what you think. Alright, my people, let me get down to some information right about now, see? So I got information that a female and a male had been shot and killed in Portland, Jamaica. Now, according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that police indicated that a preliminary investigation is suggesting that the female might be pregnant and that the female might have been the target of the attack. It is also being theorized that the attack might have been stemmed from some type of disagreement. Maybe. See? Now, even though information have been put out there, not only news article basically saying that police say certain things, in my point of view, those information are not confirmed information. Listen again. So, according to more information that I got, it is said that the Port Antonio police reported that sometime at about 11 o'clock on Tuesday, it is said that the female and the man who had been shot and killed was among persons playing a game of domino at a certain location within Portland, Jamaica, when a motor vehicle drove up and a person came from out of the motor vehicle holding what is believed to be a gun and opened fire. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to how many shots might have been fired, viewers and subscribers, but according to more information that I got, it is said that at the end of the shooting, the female and the male was found suffering from gunshot wounds, viewers and subscribers. See? So it is said that they were taken to hospital and they were pronounced dead. Really a sad topic, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, see, my people, sometimes when we get certain informations like these, I will bring them to you, but sometimes some of these type of informations get to me. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's like me don't even want to talk about some of these informations because it's like it's just too much. So many bad things are happening all over the world. You see what I say? So it really and truly set away. Alright, my people. Anyways, I will try my best to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on when it comes on to certain situations. You see it? So if you like the way how I present videos to you, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to share my videos to help support Dancehall Skilla. And If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so. And click the notification bell also so that you too can be notified whenever I post a video. Here's where I'm going to leave it, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.